Hello everyone. So in today's video, we will discuss how we can deploy and or publish Copilot chatbot within Microsoft Teams so that everyone in our organization can interact with it. Now let's check this out in action. I'm into my Copilot Studio home screen, and if I click on agents, I will see a list of all agents that we have created. I will click on this agent 3, and if you remember, agent 3 is what we created in our previous video. So the first step in publishing it to Teams is getting it published. So I will hit on publish first, and it will take some time for the app to get published. So remember, the first step in order to deploy this app to Microsoft Teams is to publish this app itself. It will take some time to get published, and once it is published, then we can click on channels at the top, and then we can proceed. So now you will see this green message that your app has been published. Now if you go to channels, you will see there are various options, but we are interested in Microsoft Teams today. Also, if you want to select any other channel, you have to enable the authentication mechanism. So you can see that at the top it is showing, because you choose Microsoft authentication, only Teams plus Microsoft 365 and SharePoint channel is available. So if I need to select any other channel, we will have to change our authentication to be enabled for all of them. But right now I have chosen Microsoft authentication itself. So now we are interested, and the goal of this video is to deploy the app or the chatbot within Microsoft Teams. So I will click on Microsoft Teams first, and at the right hand side a panel will open, and which says that your agent name, and if you hit on edit details, you will see the description of the agent. I can change it to this one by writing my name, developed I can say development by Kumar, and I can change the description as well. I can click on save, and the details that are edited by me are now getting saved. So once the changes are saved, I will just go to availability options, and I will try to download this zip file. So if I click on download zip, it will download the zip of this Copilot file for me. And let's see, it has finished downloading. I will quickly go to the Teams. So in Teams, if you have an admin access, you can go to this apps, and within apps you can go to manage your apps. So once you click on manage your apps, you see a icon that says get more apps. You click on get more apps, and let's do it again. No, I'm sorry, not get more apps. You can select on upload an app, and because we have a zip file, and I can see that we have an option called as upload a custom app, and I will click on that, and it will ask me to select my zip file, and within download I can see a zip file that's in here. I click on open, and you will see that agent 3 is the name that was available and we created in the Copilot Studio home screen. And I will click on add, and this agent or chatbot will be added within my Teams application, and it will take some time, and once it's done, we will be able to interact with it. So it's done. I will click on open, and you can see that this agent is available for a communication. And I can say, Kumar, this site, I can say something, and let's see whether the agent is interacting or not. And you can say that I'm able to interact with the agent, and this is how you can deploy it. Another way is you go to channels, you select this one, and you just click on availability options, and you just copy the link. So if you copy the link, and if you try to paste it in the browser itself, and you open it in the web browser, and if you are lucky, because Microsoft gives you errors sometimes, so if you are lucky, you will be able to launch your chatbot by this way as well. So let's see. I'm just pasting my link, and Okay, so I can see these two bots, but it should have been directly redirecting me to this app or bot itself, which is it's not doing. But again, it depends on your luck. So right now, Microsoft is a bit finicky, and you can face some challenges in kind of deploying it to Microsoft Teams. But the best way is go to the apps and then go to manage your apps and then upload an app from here, which you have downloaded as zip file from the channel section of Microsoft Teams of the agent. Let me know how you are doing it. Until then, see you next time.